Set of brand new seats.
Yep.
Intake and exhaust for version 1.
Interference fit.
8,000. So we got our little doer of liquid nitrogen.
And we don't have gloves on or long sleeve shirts like that.
Or
one
long
guy
sleeve shirts, because it's
mentioned.
hot, it's warm out already. The other thing is this is not full, and so it can't splash up out. It's 2/3 the way down. This nitrogen doesn't last in these, kind of why I put the rag on, but you can't seal it because it'll get under pressure.
It'll explode.
Oven is on, and we are starting the process.
Yep.